Welcome to Penkraft. Open the Penkraft website. Now, let's navigate to Online Courses tab. To unlock the full capabilities of the website, you must have an account. Let's register and create an account first. Fill in the necessary details and click on Register. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. Next, find Madhubani painting under the Art Forms tab. Here you can view a course overview. Next, click on View Course to see a detailed description of the breakdown of the course. Click on Subscribe and proceed to checkout by filling in the necessary details. Your subscribed courses will now be also visible. In the course details, you can scroll through the chapters for the particular course. Select a lesson, watch the accompanying video, and learn. Once you have finished watching the video, you can upload your completed assignment. Browse for the file and simply upload your completed assignment. Once uploaded, the next chapter is now unlocked. Progress through the chapters to finish the course. Thanks and happy learning.